Hi guys, so today I'll be showing you how to open a LinkedIn account, right? So on your mobile phone, I want you to go to Play Store or your Apple Store, and on your Play Store, I want you to search LinkedIn. I already have it installed on this device, so I'm just going to open it. But for you, you would have to install it, and when it's done installing, you can open it. And so the default setting for LinkedIn is going to show you if you are new or if you are existing. So it's going to show you, do you want to sign in as an existing user, or do you want to, or are you new to LinkedIn? So if you already have an account, you can just use this sign in using another account, right? And if you are new, right, I want you to go to new to LinkedIn, join now. So you join now. So you tap on join now, and it's going to bring you to another page. It's going to say, okay, we're ready to create an account for you. Now it said join LinkedIn or sign in. Now, you know the email you are using, a functioning email, an email you can receive a code from. So you can put in your email here. You can put in your email here or your phone number, right? Or you can continue with Google. So I always tell people it's easier to continue with Google. So if you have a Google account signed up on your device, you can continue with Google. If you don't have an existing Google account, you can put in your email. So I'm going to use continue with Google. So I have different accounts that's on my device, right? So let me use one of them. Let me use this one. Still help page, right? So it's telling me allow Google to sign into your LinkedIn, agree and share. So I want you to tap agree and share. You're going to tap this one, agree and share. So we agree and we share it. Automatically it takes me to another page. Now it's saying add your most recent experience. Now LinkedIn is more of like a portfolio, right? So it's telling you, are you a student? If you're a student, you can tap this button up here. This button up here, you can put yes if you are a student, right, or no if you are not a student. So it's asking me my location and my most recent job. Now, am I a student? I can just tap here and put I am a student. So if you're a student, it's going to change. It's going to show you the location, the university or your school, your degree, your specialization, and what year you started. So if this is you, if you are a student, fill this. I'm not a student, so I'm going to go to filling it in a normal way. But I will make another video for if you are a student, right? So it says my location, Abuja, FCT. My most recent job, I'm going to put social media manager. So even as I'm typing, it's already popping up different options for me. So social media manager. I tap on that. It said my most recent company, I would use my company. Because I'll use my company and I'll press next. So if you don't have a company, you might have to probably, if you don't have a company, right, you can ask someone if you can use theirs on LinkedIn. It will help a lot. So it's asking me add a photo so that people can recognize me. It also shows that I'm not a robot, people can trust me, so I have to add a photo. So you have to add a photo from your gallery. So have a really good, clear, professional picture. I always tell people have professional pictures. Don't pick a picture that is blurred. Don't pick a picture that is does not present you well, right? So I'm going to look for a very professional picture. I can go to my collection. Okay, so let me just pick the one. Okay, all right, let me pick this one up here. Yeah, so I can pick this one. Yes, so it's even gonna crop it for me. So I'm just going to adjust it a little, and I'm going to save. Now it said see help page. So if I want to change anything, I can just tap on this thing that looks like a pen, and then make my edits. I'll click on next. Everything looks great, so I'm going to click on next. And it said, are you looking for a job? I said, so you have two options, right? When you're creating your LinkedIn account, maybe you want to put yourself out there and you're looking for a job, you can click on looking for a job, right? If you are looking for a job, you can click this one, looking for a job. If you are a option of not really, but would consider the right opportunity, you can click this one. So I always tell people, if you are using a social media, let it be for a particular reason. Let there be a reason why you're using a social media. So I don't just want to be on LinkedIn and then consider the right thing. No, I'm looking for a job. So I'm going to click on yes, I'm actively looking for a job. Now it's going to start creating my portfolio. So when people come on my page, what do they want to see, right? So it has helped me already to even pick my job title, my location, and it's asking me, am I open to remote job? Absolutely, I'm open to remote job. So here is what you do, right? Here is what you do. So this part that says I'm open to remote job, here so click on I'm open to remote job and next. Now it said get notified when new jobs are posted, and it has turned it on for me. So whenever there's a new job, I will get a notification. I said next, and it said let recruiters know you're open to a new job. Yes, I'll click on next, and so it's creating it for me. So it says follow interests to see their best content in your feed. So you want people, so people that you have as mentor, people that you want to work with, it's here you get to follow them. So I'm just going to follow a couple of pages, right? So if you have any you want to follow, you can do that once your page is created. Now your next connection could be playing, so it will notify you when there's a game. The game is just to activate your mind, keep your mind sharp and focus. So it has created the LinkedIn page for me, or LinkedIn account for me. So let's go to our profile. For us to access our profile, come to this button right here that has like a logo of a human. Tap on it, and you see my page has been created. So you can view your analytics. Here, right? And you can go to your settings here, right? You can even see what your page is about by tapping on it. So this is how my page looks like. So you can add a header. They call this part a header. So you can add any picture of whatever you want. You can go to Canva and make a really good header. You can type LinkedIn header and it will give you the size for your LinkedIn. So you can optimize your page, you can enhance your profile. Of course, you have to pay for it, and so many other things. So I can add my education, right? I can add education here. If I have more educational qualifications, I can add them here. If I have skills, I'll add my skills here. Please, you have to add your skills because that's what people are looking out for? What can you do? So as a social media manager, what can I do? What are my skills? I will add my skills here. I hope this video is helpful. Let me know in the comment section and what other video you want me to share on my page. Thank you for watching.